Then I brought it home to present time, how we can prove from the time that when the statut was made, to Suriname leaving, to Aruba going status aparte, to us still talking about the geschillenregeling, to us talking about the koho, and now the slaverij. We brought some local facts. And to kika ma pinpoint is na se Martin, no sa si dos cos, no sta tingu funkshoná kuya ma proso aliga abay tuma they took Holland to court, and Holland acknowledged the fact that they never decolonized the countries, and St. Martin also took Holland to the UN, petitioned the Holland to the UN, and there too they mentioned that the democratic deficits are sound, and that you also have discrimination against the people during the COVID times. Just based on that, we should now look at all these facts and all these facts holistically and ask ourselves, do we want to remain in the kingdom? Do we want to fix it to give the full-fledged autonomy based on international laws? Or do we want to get out? And in the end, I propose it's a dysfunctional kingdom, so we should consider getting out. That's my proposal, but it's not for me to decide. It's something we need to sit down as 4 countries and really have a discussion, look at the facts, and decide how we're going to do it. Are we going to make it, fix it, so we can be, for once, equal and abide by international laws, or do we plan to dismantle it? I think we need to sit down. The 4 countries really need to sit down, because I think we're all over the place right now. The koho has made it worse for the countries. The last 2 years, it has been a very divisive topic, and it has left a bad taste in our I know for a fact, in St. Martin's mouth, in the people of St. Martin, on how we were forced down with these conditions. I think we need to sit back and look at the facts now, because St. Martin has done a lot. St. Martin has went to the UN, St. Martin has taken them to court. Look at those facts and sit down and really see if we could fix it, yes or no. We need to start talking about the functioning of it and stop taking plasters and putting plasters all over with something that's dysfunctional. It's not working. Only independence, I think Clyde Van Putten stated it earlier, to maybe consider becoming now I'm losing the word, a commonwealth. You can discuss that. If the countries decide they want to go independent, that can be an option too. But you need to first talk about head statute. What are we going to do with it? Are we going to change it, yes or no? And based on that, based on the outcome of that, we need to then make decisions. We need to first decide if we're going to fix this, yes or no. It's 12 years, it's not working. We need to come with that. We need to sit down and be clear, to be honest with ourselves that it's not working. And I said it over and over in my speech, it is not working. What has opened the eyes of the community, again, going back, is the cohort discussion, because they felt it. They started to look at St. Martin, Aruba, and Curacao, started saying, but we have to cut, but why are they not cutting? Aren't we now part of a kingdom? That has opened a can of worms.